In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the proofing language for comments in Microsoft Word. Adjusting the proofing language for comments is essential when working with documents in multiple languages or reviewing content that has been translated. Without updating the language, your comments might not be checked for spelling or grammar correctly, which can lead to overlooked errors and inconsistencies. When you use Microsoft Word's review tools, comments automatically inherit the proofing language from the original text. Normally, this works fine, but if the text was written in another language and later translated, the inherited settings might prevent Word from checking your comments properly. This means any spelling or grammar mistakes in your feedback could go unnoticed. The good news is that these inherited settings are not permanent, and you can adjust them to ensure proper proofreading. To start, open your document and go to the Home tab. In the Styles group, click the small dialog box launcher to open the Styles pane. Once the pane appears, select Options at the bottom to open the Styles pane Options dialog box. From the Select Styles to Show drop-down menu, choose all styles and click OK. This will display every style used in your document, including the comments style. Next, scroll through the Styles pane until you find Comment Text. Hover your cursor over it to reveal the Options arrow, then click the arrow and select Modify. This opens the Modify Style dialog box, where you can adjust formatting and language settings. In the Modify Style dialog, click Format at the bottom left and then select Language. From the Mark Selected Text as drop-down, choose English or your preferred language. Make sure the Do Not Check Spelling or Grammar option is unchecked, so Word will review your comments during spell check. Click OK to close the Language dialog box, and then click OK again to close the Modify Style dialog box. Finally, save your document and close it. When you reopen it, the new proofing language will be active, ensuring that all comments are checked correctly for spelling and grammar. And that's it. You now know how to change the proofing language for comments in Microsoft Word, allowing your review work to remain accurate and professional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.